Welcome to the UAE, where the skyline is etched with ambition and luxury is woven into the very fabric of life. You've heard the stories, you've seen the glitz, but have you ever wondered what $1 million really buys you in this land of opulence? Today, we're not just window shopping. We're diving deep into the world of UAE, real estate to explore the luxury, the reality, and the investment potential of property in 2025. Is it a sprawling villa or a chic city apartment? Let's find out. First stop, the dazzling heart of the Emirates, Dubai. Dubai. For $1 million boot, you have some incredible choices, but location is everything. Imagine yourself in a beautiful 3-bedroom villa in a family-friendly community like Dubai Hills Estate or the ever-popular Arabian ranches. We're talking modern designs, lush green surroundings, maybe even your own private pool to escape the desert heat. These communities are self-contained worlds with top-tier schools, golf courses, and community centers right on your doorstep. It's the suburban dream, Dubai. However, if your heart is set on the pulsating core of the city, that same $1 million budget tells a different story. In prime locations like downtown Dubai, with the Burj Khalifa as your neighbor, or the iconic Palm Jumeirah, you're likely looking at a high-end, but smaller, 1-bedroom apartment. The trade-off is direct access to the world's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. The views might be more limited, but the lifestyle is undeniably electric. So in Dubai, it's a clear choice. Spacious suburban living, or a compact, vibrant city pad. Now, let's journey down the highway to the nation's capital, Abu Dhabi. Here, your $1 million stretches a little further, offering a different flavor of luxury. On the stunning Saadiyat Island, a cultural hub home to the Louvre Abu Dhabi and the future Guggenheim, your budget could secure you a spacious 3-bedroom villa. You'd be surrounded by pristine beaches, world-class art, and a sophisticated, serene atmosphere. It's a haven for those who appreciate culture and tranquility. Alternatively, if you dream of waking up to endless sea views, consider Al Raha Beach. For $1 million, a 2-bedroom waterfront apartment with a panoramic vista of the Arabian Gulf is well within reach. This area offers a resort-like lifestyle with private beaches, marinas, and a lively promenade. Abu Dhabi's real estate market is on a steady climb, with residential prices showing a healthy 6.4% rise in the second quarter of 2025, according to Knight Frank. This suggests a market that combines value with strong growth potential. So, we've seen what you can buy. But what about the market itself? This is where strategy comes into play. Dubai's real estate market has been on a phenomenal run, with transaction values hitting a staggering $71.4 billion in just the first half of 2025. As reported by Arabian Business, the demand is undeniable. However, it's crucial to look at the whole picture. Some experts are forecasting a potential price correction on the horizon, possibly up to 15%. Why? A massive influx of new properties. We're talking about 210,000 new units expected to enter the market, which could naturally cool down the red-hot price growth we've been seeing. This doesn't mean it's a bad time to invest, but it does mean that buyers need to be more selective and strategic, focusing on properties with unique features and in prime, resilient locations. In contrast, Abu Dhabi's market presents a different narrative. It's characterized by robust, stable growth. Knight Frank reports an impressive 17% annual growth in residential prices, indicating strong and sustained confidence in the capital's market. What's driving this? A more balanced approach to development. While over 8,500 new homes are set to be delivered in 2025, this supply is carefully planned to meet the growing demand, especially in highly sought-after or family-friendly communities like the vibrant Yas Island and the beautiful Al Raha Beach. According to Cushman and Wakefield, this alignment of supply and demand is creating a healthy, sustainable market that's very attractive to both end users and long-term investors looking for stability and appreciation. Of course, a home is more than just an asset. It's the centerpiece of your lifestyle, and this is where Dubai and Abu Dhabi offer distinctly different experiences. Dubai is a city that never sleeps. It's a whirlwind of energy, offering a dynamic, fast-paced, urban environment. The options for dining, shopping, and entertainment are virtually limitless. From Michelin-starred restaurants to sprawling malls and world-famous attractions, it's a city for those who thrive on buzz and endless novelty. If you want to be at the center of the action, where every night offers a new adventure, Dubai is your playground. Abu Dhabi, on the other hand, cultivates a more serene and culturally rich atmosphere. While it has its own share of fantastic restaurants and shopping, the pace is more relaxed. The emphasis here is on quality of life, family, and culture. Think weekend trips to the Louvre, leisurely strolls along the Corniche, and enjoying the natural beauty of its mangroves and pristine beaches. It's a city that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. It's less about the hustle and more about creating a balanced, fulfilling life, making it particularly appealing to families and those seeking a tranquil retreat from the daily grind. So, let's bring it all together. $1 million in the UAE. In Dubai, you're re-choosing between a spacious 3-bedroom villa in a lush suburb or a chic 1-bedroom apartment in the heart of the action. Your investment is in a dynamic, high-value market with incredible lifestyle perks, but one that might be heading for a price adjustment. In Abu Dhabi, that same $1 million gets you more space: a 3-bedroom villa on the cultural Saadiyat Island, or a 2-bedroom apartment with stunning sea views. Your investment is in a market defined by steady, robust growth and a lifestyle that prioritizes tranquility and family. Ultimately, the best choice isn't about which city is better, but which city is better for asterisk. Are you drawn to the bustling energy and urban glamour of Dubai? Or does the tranquil elegance and cultural depth of Abu Dhabi call to you? Your decision hinges on your personal lifestyle preferences and your long-term investment goals. Whether you're seeking rapid returns or stable growth, urban vibrancy or cultural serenity, one thing is certain: $1 million can unlock an extraordinary door to luxurious living in the UAE. The choice is yours. Thank you so much for joining us on this real estate journey through the Emirates. What would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this insightful, do you want to forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on living and investing in the UAE. We'll see you in the next one.